any building which is fitted with a building automation system will have typically energy consumption will be lesser by 10 to 30%, depending on how inefficient the building is in the current form. And anything which does with energy conservation automatically leads to sustainability and vice versa, because anything which is sustainable has to be conserving energy as well, because energy is a depleting resource all over the world. Like one example I will tell you, generally in a meeting room, if suddenly if there are 10 people sitting in a small meeting room, and if you see that there are 4 or 5 people are yawning, it is not that they are getting bored of the meeting or anything. It could be an indication that the carbon dioxide levels in the room are high. Imagine if there is a fresh intake of oxygen happening in this room, 5-6 people will not yawn. You will feel fresh and your focus will be more, your attention will be also more to what is happening in the meeting. When the weekends are there and holidays are there, you can program it. And this need not be done every time, by the way. You can set that every Saturday evening, or if your office is a 5-day office, Friday evening, 5 o'clock till Monday morning 7 o'clock, the temperature should be 28 degrees. That's it. No need to look at it again. No human error at all. This is the beauty of a building automation system, because it's an intelligent system. You program it to do 1, 2, 3, it will do exactly 1, 2, 3. See, energy saving is a big concerted effort. It's not happening. It will not happen by only 1 person or 2 person. There has to be a big effort by everyone for that, and every possible avenue where you can save money, you need to save money. So this is one area where occupancy control, like all meeting rooms, can be fitted with motion sensors with a program that if there is no movement within the room for 5 minutes, it will be assumed that there is no one in the room and the AC and light will switch off. All offices, there are some glass facades. Nowadays there is a fancy, glass facades are actually the energy inefficient design. But people want to have the looks, the glamour and the glitz. The building should look nice, building should look great. But then unfortunately that is energy inefficient building, because the glass will see that the sunlight, lot of sunlight comes inside, and then your AC will be overloaded to that. But then that's a different subject, because you can't do anything. The company and the builder and the developer, they give more attention and importance to the looks of the building than the energy efficiency of the building. That is their priority. The simple logic will be that there will be a lux meter which will be installed on some strategic points along the facade inside, and then it will measure whether the outside light is sufficient or not. If it is not sufficient, it will switch on the lights. And when there is a broad daylight, like in the summers and all that, then it will need not open that light. And now that light, complete energy consumption of those lights can be saved by using this technique. So likewise, the circadian principle says that after the evening time, the light should be reduced. But normally we see that all offices, 99% offices, the lighting is the same, whether it is a day shift, night shift, evening, night, whatsoever. And that is one of the reasons why you will understand. Many people say that don't watch TV or mobile or something before going to bed, just going to, because these radiations from mobile and TV and other such tabs and the screens, the light rays which are coming, they are like almost equivalent to the daylight as far as this principle is concerned. And when you look at them, the signal that they send to the brain is that this is still day, no need to sleep. Actually, you will be feeling sleepy. You will be feeling sleepy because it's night already, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. But your brain has got another signal from the retina of the eyes that, no, it is still daylight outside, so no need. And that is why you don't feel sleepy sometimes. For example, if they show, and if the maintenance, they take preventive maintenance happening every month, then there should be no breakdown in that, likely. Breakdown can still happen. No amount of preventive maintenance will eliminate the breakdowns. It will minimize the breakdowns, because they are machines. They are likely to fail anytime. But at least you can draw a conclusion that, there cannot be 3 breakdowns having a 6 months of preventive maintenance. That means something is wrong somewhere. Either the quality of the supplied machine is wrong, or the quality of the technicians is wrong, or the intention is not good, or they have just stopped the machine and they have been, chit-chatting around. So you have to investigate. But to investigate that, to know that there is a deficiency or a problem there, you need to first have the data. And that data will come from the building automation system.